Hello and welcome to another video. Today I will show you how to install Python 3.7 on Ubuntu 18.04. First you have to open a new terminal, then we will update the package list. In order to install Python I will use apt. I will do it through a PPA. So first I do sudo apt update. Okay, now it's updating. It will not take long. It's just a procedure that will last less than 1 minute. After updating your apt, you have to type sudo apt install software properties common. What this does, it will ask you if you want to continue, you will answer yes. What this does is it adds some scripts. It installs some scripts to add and remove PPA. Again, you have to wait a while. Okay, now that we're over with this, we can add our PPA. We can add the repository sudo apt repository. PPA, and in order to install Python you use the PPA dead snakes. With this line we can add our repository. You have to press enter, wait a while, and it's fine. Now we have added our repository, and now we have to type our last command. Will be sudo apt install python 3.7. Wait for a few seconds while it's downloading the different libraries. And now everything is over. Basically now your Python 3.3 is installed in your system. In order to verify it, you can type Python 3.7 version. You can see that I have Python 3.7.2. So that's it for today. Don't forget to share, like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.